What's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and first and foremost, I do apologize for the wind. I know you guys do make some comments on the wind out here. We are taking care of that with our new setup. We also are not shooting this with our big camera and Steadicam, so I apologize about the quality and the stabilization. Also want to let you know this is just a quick video. This is not going to be our full advertisement. Just want to get this thing online before it's 100% completed, but cosmetically and everything, it is completed. So the Jeep itself came in with 115,000 miles. So everything you see on this Jeep obviously is all brand new, installed by us here at Davis AutoSports. We have a complete DAS board, 30 over engine, new pistons, rings, camshaft, crankshaft, cylinder heads, rockers, lifters, a complete new engine inside of this Jeep. We have our stage 2 package suspension, full suspension all the way around, all upgraded suspension, all upgraded steering. Everything cooling wise on the Jeep, radiator, water pump, thermostat housing, hoses, that's all new as well. AC system is completely redone, compressor, evaporator, orifice tube, receiver, dryer. I have a beautiful set of Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on here. ATX 17-inch wheels, gives it a nice modern look. Everything you see black on this XJ has our complete Kevlar package. It is very windy out here, guys, so I do apologize. Fresh pinstripe, paint corrected the entire Jeep like always. Roof rack. Suspension wise, we have new shocks, new coils, new bump stops, control arms, sway bar end links, tie rod bars, tie rod ends. We have ball joints on here, adjustable track bar up front, rear leaf springs in the back, complete leaf springs, U-bolts, shackles, shocks in the back, the front diff, the transfer case, the transmission, the rear differential, all cleaned out, all flushed out, all new synthetic fluid, front and rear brand new differential covers. The axles, of course, have our typical sandblasting and cleanup. We have all brand new exhaust system, really nice, clean, tucked exhaust tip like we always do. Now I know I'm going through this fast, guys. Brand new catalytic converter, muffler, over the axle pipe, tailpipe. All the hardware on the suspension's all new. Drilled and slotted rotors. There's going to be a million of other small things that I missed, but as you see, guys, this paint is absolutely beautiful. One little imperfection on the hood right there. But as you see, beautiful, beautiful paint. We did our full, complete leather upgraded seat package. One thing that I always try to show you guys, so when we redo our seats here, we actually rebuild these bolsters. And a typical Cherokee, from people sliding in and out year after year, this bolster is completely flat down. So when we take the original skins off and put these new guys on here, we redo this bolster, and the side bolsters, and that's on both seats. So it's hard to see here, but this actually contours up. So when you put your butt in this seat, you got nice bolsters hugging you. That's a lot of work to do that to these seats, but what they actually do when you sit in them, they feel better than a factory XJ seat. It hugs you nice and tight. It keeps you nice in your seat and planted. So because there's nothing worse than having a completely flat seat. A lot of time goes into that, something that really doesn't get noticed. We got three-way Sony 6.5 speakers all the way around. We have a nav, backup camera. This is a nice Alcantara. This is a graphite gray. This is a black WeatherTech floor liners. We have a brand new headliner up top. But like I said, guys, we will do a full video shoot of this truck. There's probably a million other things that I missed. But on our website and the eBay listing, we will have a bulletin of all this stuff. So we're going to make do with this video for now. But make sure to check out the bulletin. That will show all the services and upgrades that we did. Beautiful, clean XJ.